Holy moly. Yep.
In this episode, Chris travels from the bustling streets of Milan to the laid-back canals of Venice. He gets lost in the labyrinth of winding pathways, feels some good vibrations at the Piazza St.Mark, and checks out the prison cell that held the Renaissance's most notorious lady killer.
Hi. We're Chris and Danica.
We love to travel, and we've been to some pretty cool places.
And then... Oh no! We decided to start our family.
Which put a pause on traveling for a while. Now that our boys are older, we're excited to have them be a part of achieving our dream.
We're taking 1 year and our savings to pursue our goals
of becoming content creators who travel for a living,
living at home.
Help keep our journey going and come along for the ride. Like and subscribe.
You too. Another morning in Milano. But sadly the last one. Heading to the train station. Maybe pick up some stuff along the way. We'll see. Hopefully there's some things to do in that area. I don't really know. But the train's in a few hours, so probably not much going on except for just heading down there. And then where shall we go? Venice?
Giuseppe.
Alright, made it to the train station. I don't think my train's on the board yet. It's something I learned. You gotta always be rechecking the board, and it doesn't say, you gotta check the exact name that it says on your ticket. My ticket says Venezia. I can't pronounce it. Here's a picture of it.
Venezia.
Then S.L. So if you're going to somewhere like Venice, if you're looking for that on the board, you're not going to see it. Look for the name of the place you're going that's on your ticket, and then match that to the board. Pro tips. I thought the Zurich train station was nice. It was. It was. Honestly, safe to say that I believe that it was a nice train station. This one, it's gonna be hard to beat.
Buongiorno, doppio espresso? Doppio.
Just gas, baby. All right, so what am I hoping to see in Venice? I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna do a gondola ride. They're a bit on the pricey side. It started 80 euros, I've heard, but I feel like if you go to Venice, you don't take a gondola ride, you're doing it wrong. It also might be weird that I'll be splitting it with other people and hopefully not another couple. Third wheel in it. I highly doubt I'll go to one on my own. Maybe if I get there super early in the morning, I don't know. And seafood, a place that's on the water like that, you feel like you've got to try a bunch of seafood. There's a whipped cod, I know that's pretty well talked about, so we're gonna see if we can find that. Just make our way around without getting lost. Apparently it's just windy streets of narrow waterways and pathways, and St.Mark's Basilica. It's a big deal down there. And yeah, just enjoy the scenery. That's our track, that's our train. Let's go to Venice.
Approaching Venezia Santa Lucia, final stop of the train. We invite all passengers that have to get off to please get prepared. Please do not forget to collect all of your bags and personal belongings. Thank you for choosing Italo. We hope to welcome you back on board soon. Goodbye.
Arrived. Venice. And there it is, out of the train station.
Bam! Venice. Look at that canal right in your face, right off the bat. I imagine they'll just be everywhere. Oh, beautiful day.
Beautiful! It was calling for overcast, a little bit of sun, then tomorrow cloudy, next day rain. Hope it stays like this. Hope it does. So, we got some stuff to see, some food to eat. Venice time.
Buongiorno. Oh wow, right here.
Yeah.
Nice.
To open, use the key card here.
Touch. Touch. Alright.
This is for you to keep your key card.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome.
Okay, have a good day, guys. Yeah, open sesame. Oh yeah, there's a view of nothing. What's this way? What's this way?
Whatever. Nice room. Man, these guys are pros. That's why I got the 9.4 on hotels.com. I looked a bunch of places. If you look hard enough, you'll get stuff in the 9s or the same price as stuff in the 7s. Like, hold out for the 9s. Maybe you pay $20 extra. Come on. You guys drawing on a map for me. Go here, go there. Here's some restaurants. Here's how you get to Rialto Bridge. Here's how you get to the cathedrals. Service. Service for the same price. And I'm loose, heading to St.Mark Square. The guys at the desk, it's 20 minutes walking. There's no cars here, no roads, just pathways. And I thought the island was a bit bigger, or the collection of islands, whatever they call it. I think it's a collection of them. And yeah, it's great to not have to walk super far to go see all the awesome stuff. Because I'm on the far end, where the train station is, then Mark's is on the other end, so only 20 minutes. It's way more relaxed than Milan. Even just the way, in the pace people walk. It's a lot more relaxed, super chill. It's a nice change of pace. Milan was awesome. Man, is it crazy? Is it busy? Things are going on, things are happening there. This is nice right after that. It's an absolute maze. Every 20 feet there's a left, there's a right. There's no rhyme or reason to any of it. I'm sure there is, but I have no clue. There's all sorts of sweet alleys. Lots of shops. Shops everywhere. It's nice. So, it's if you like zigzagging, if you don't like straight lines, this is the place. Almost there, can't wait. I feel like any second I'm gonna turn a corner and bam. My mom was telling me my dad and their buddy Mike paid $50 for 2 beers around this area, so I'm gonna just do some sightseeing and then get the food and drink somewhere else, I think.
The destination is on your right, St.Mark Square. Arrive.
Dun, 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 dun. St.Mark Square. Oh man.
Oh, holy moly. Yep. Let's turn this around and take a peek at what we got on this side.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Just everything's so impressive. And I love coming out of the zigzagging. Brand new shops on the bottom, so modern, then on top, who knows how old those buildings are, and they've maintained the ancient look. It's fantastic. It's a fancy cathedral. Oh, I'm gonna go down and check the view from the water, and then not sure from there. I haven't bought tickets to this. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But, just massive. Everything is just so massive.
A little gondola hut. I guess you could take it from here. This is right on the water. Like right on the edge of the island. I don't know if you can shoot across there and win.
Gonna head on down to the Bridge of Sighs. I think that's the one Casanova was imprisoned in. It's obviously a covered bridge. Still curious of what he was incarcerated for. Being Casanova, maybe he did the wrong thing with the wrong person, perhaps? You're gonna have to get a little history lesson on that one. Anyways, gonna go see it. Gonna go see it now. Here she be. Bridge City, baby. So, got a ticket. Gonna go this way. Try to get some views of this city.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.